Hey guys, good morning, welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to talk to you guys about leaves, brown leaves, falling leaves. I've been meaning to make this video and I just keep forgetting or putting it off. So in the past, when I first started messing around with succulents, you know, some leaves would fall and I would Google why, and they said that it was normal. But recently, in the past couple of videos that you guys have seen where some of my succulents are dying, and I've posted about it on YouTube. I think those videos say like what's killing my succulent or whatever. In the beginning, those plants, when I first would see them and I would see a few leaves falling off the bottom, I would write it off and be like, oh yeah, whatever, that's normal. And then by the time I would get to it and inspect the plant, it would be too late, and a lot of like most of it was already gone, like the plant was dead. So I wanted to talk about this prince right here. You guys seen him in many of my videos. He does not shed any leaves. He's happy, he's healthy, knock on wood. I never have to pull a leaf. Very rarely a leaf has to come off of him from all the way at the bottom, but it's a dried up leaf. It's not a healthy leaf that fell off or anything like that. So basically what I'm trying to tell you is, if you see leaves falling off frequently, or even if you see a leaf falling off, inspect it. It's gonna take you like a minute or so. See this one? This one's been like this for quite a while. Like I said, very rarely you'll see a dried up leaf, not a healthy leaf, or not like a yellow leaf falling off. So if you do see that, you need to inspect for mealybugs or some other type of bug. Something is wrong with your plant. You know, inspect it and see what's going on. This one, I have a video and I rescued it and it's doing very well. A sign of mealybugs is also ants. If you see a lot of ants, you know, heading towards a, around a pot, you should inspect it and look to see where the mealybugs are. There's two types of mealybugs. There's the regular mealybugs that you'll see in here, but there's also root mealybugs. Those will be more down into the root. So when you would want to inspect your plant is when you see that your plant's not thriving, is struggling, then that's a good time to pull your plant out and inspect the roots and see what's going on. I'm just sharing my experience with you guys, what has happened to me and what I've been noticing. I'm always looking at this guy and I'm like, man, he always looks so good. Even this one lately, it's like I don't have to pull any leaves. So yeah, I would say that frequent falling leaves, it's a good sign that something is wrong. Just take the time, pull your plant out and inspect it. Share your thoughts and your comment down below if you experienced this or not. I will look for some links regarding the root mealybug and post it in the description box below for you guys to look into. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Bye guys, have a blessed day.